Hey folks, Family Proud, Family Strong here with another video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the famous fisherman knot. Now when I was growing up, one of my uncles taught me this fisherman knot, and I was just really amazed because it's really cool. Okay, and it's very strong too. Okay, so let's get down here. Okay, so I got this little swivel thing going on here. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to put your line right through the eye, not your own eye, hopefully. Okay, you want to pull it, and you want to have some slack there, right? Okay, you see that? Everybody see that? Okay, then what you want to do is you want to wrap this line and kind of twist it around at least 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now see that? It's all twisted up. Now what I like to do, bring it up, like to put a little spit on there. That way when you do this, so now what you want to do is you want to put it not through the eye, and it's going to be real hard to see. You want to put it through the eye of the string. See down there? Can you see down there?
Yeah.
The eye of the string. Oh, I gotta get bifocals. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait, I gotta take my glasses off. Okay, maybe this is how not to do a fisherman knot. All right, here, let me take my glasses off. Here we go. All right, so you want to put it through the eye of the string. There we go, folks. Okay, then you want to pull it tight. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you hold the end of the string. Then with this end right here, you're going to pull. Boom. Take your nails there. Boom. Gotta cut my nails. And that is a fisherman knot. Now, this slack right here, this excess string, cut it off close as possible to the knot. That way it doesn't interfere with your fishing. Okay. There you go. That's strong. That's strong. So, that's the old famous fisherman knot, which was passed down to me by my uncle. Whew, okay, now I can see. And now we're going to have somebody do it, see if they can do it with this young man here. You know what, we better not. Look, he's already getting sick.
No, I got it.
You got it? Okay, okay.